Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. The first video of 2022. As we normally do on the beginning of the month, we're going to go back and take a look at how many dividends we received for the month. So we'll go back to December, give you a quick recap of how that went. Before we get into that though, I just want to thank everybody who has joined the channel so far. We are actually almost at 600 subscribers, so that's pretty awesome. And I just posted a poll in my community tab. Go check it out, asking you when you first started investing in stocks. And the vast majority so far is 2021. So I'm new to it. It looks like a lot of the people that are following along the channel are new to it as well. So if you haven't voted for that poll yet, head over to the community tab on my channel and put your vote through. Let's jump right in. We'll show you how the dividends performed for December of 2021. All right, here we are in the TFSA. I filtered through to the TFSA portfolio and Wealthsimple. So we had a grand total, we'll get at the end there, but we had a dividend on December 31st from BEP.UN, that's the Brookfield Renewable. Not a bad one actually, $3.11, which is kind of nice to get. Then we did have R&W, this one does pay regular monthly dividends. TransAlta Renewables, $2.35. Our Slate office REIT, SOT.UN, $2.03, and December 8th, the beginning of the month, VDY, $5.66. The goal for 2022 is to definitely pick up more VDY. And then the last one we had for the month was REI, that's the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. We received an even $2. So altogether for December with the dividend stocks that we have in the portfolio was $15.15. All right, it's nice to see the portfolio growing slowly but surely. The goal for for 2022, I want to definitely add more of the VDY into the portfolio, and we will also be adding, I still am kind of bullish on the cryptocurrency ETF, so definitely going to be continually to invest in that one. We'll see how that goes. The market obviously is closed today, so not much action happening, but I am optimistic for 2022. Hopefully you are as well. Again, thanks for watching the videos. We will be back once the market's open to give you some updates on how the portfolio is doing for the week. So if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It'd be fun to have you join along and follow along my journey, growing from $0 all the way up to $100,000 on Wealthsimple Trade. That's all, everybody. Have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video.